Our complex and sensitive eyes allow us to witness the beauty of the world in its full, vivid splendor, from minute intricacies to vast panoramas. Sight is a priceless faculty that molds our perception of our surroundings. More than just aesthetic value, visual perception impacts our everyday tasks, from maneuvering through crowded avenues to deciphering tiny text. Acknowledging the essential role vision plays in our existence highlights the importance of regular eye care. The nutrients we ingest nurture our bodies and support different physiological processes. The eyes, being complex structures, require particular nutrients to maintain their health and withstand the effects of aging and environmental hazards. Recognizing the significance of dietary choices on ocular health enables individuals to adopt diets that foster lasting eye health. In this presentation, we explore the interplay between our eating habits and eye health, emphasizing edibles that serve as protectors, maintaining and enhancing our visual capabilities. Without further delay, let's dive in. Firstly, carrots. Beta-carotene belongs to the carotenoids, pigments that impart vibrant colors to certain fruits and vegetables. In carrots, beta-carotene gives them their distinct orange coloration. Once ingested, our bodies transform beta-carotene into vitamin A, an essential element for maintaining eye health. Carrots are notably one of the best dietary sources of beta-carotene, which acts as a powerful antioxidant, shielding cells, including ocular cells, from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. By counteracting these detrimental compounds, beta-carotene aids in preserving the health and function of our eyes. One of the most recognized advantages of eating carrots is their beneficial effect on nocturnal vision. Vitamin A, obtained from beta-carotene, is crucial for the retina's normal operation. Within the retina, cells known as rods play a key role in enabling us to see in conditions of low light. A lack of vitamin A may result in night blindness, a situation where seeing in reduced light becomes difficult. Incorporating carrots into your meal plan guarantees a sufficient intake of beta-carotene, which aids in the creation of rhodopsin, a pigment vital for night vision. Apart from enhancing night vision, carrots also bolster general eye health by preventing issues like dry eyes and facilitating the production of tears. This tear production is vital for keeping the eye's surface moist and avoiding the irritation linked with dry eyes. Number 2. Fish. Taking a leading position in the lineup of eye-enhancing foods is fish, renowned for its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These vital fats are indispensable not just for general health, but also for the optimal condition of our eyes. Dry eyes, a prevalent issue resulting from inadequate moisture on the eye's surface, can cause annoyance and irritation. Varieties of fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, especially eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These omega-3 fats aid in generating crucial elements of tears, thereby mitigating dry eye symptoms by enhancing tear quality. Regular fish intake offers a natural and effective remedy for the discomfort linked with dry eye syndrome. Beyond omega-3 fatty acids, fish provides an array of nutrients that bolster overall eye health. Selenium, a trace mineral prevalent in numerous fish varieties, serves as an antioxidant, defending the eyes against oxidative harm. Moreover, fish is a dependable provider of vitamin D, which is associated with a lower likelihood of contracting age-related macular degeneration. The retina, a light-sensitive membrane located at the eye's rear, is exceptionally vulnerable to oxidative stress. The distinctive blend of omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and vitamin D found in fish establishes it as a fortress for protecting the eyes from age-related damage. Before we proceed, express your support by liking, subscribing, and activating the notification bell. Number 3. Eggs. Lutein and zeaxanthin are part of the carotenoid family, akin to beta-carotene found in carrots. These substances, highly concentrated in the retina, function as antioxidants, protecting the sensitive tissues of the eye from the adverse effects of oxidative stress. Eggs, especially the yolks, are abundant in both lutein and zeaxanthin. Consistent intake of these substances correlates with a reduced chance of developing eye problems such as macular degeneration and cataracts, which are common age-related visual impairments that profoundly affect sight. Lutein and zeaxanthin, present in significant amounts in eggs, are associated with a diminished risk of these ailments. The macula, a vital, small region of the retina crucial for focused vision, greatly benefits from lutein and zeaxanthin. These elements help filter damaging high-energy light rays, lessening the potential harm to the macula and lowering the risk of macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin aid in averting cataracts, a state marked by the opacification of the eye's natural lens. By reducing oxidative stress and shielding the lens from harm, these substances, prevalent in eggs, are crucial in preserving sharp vision as we grow older. Number 4. Bell peppers. Vitamin C, a crucial water-soluble vitamin and strong antioxidant, is vital for the health of our eyes. Bell peppers, especially the vividly colored ones, like red and yellow, rank high among vegetable sources of vitamin C. The intake of bell peppers directly enhances the ocular immune system, helping prevent infections and bolstering the body's defenses against external hazards. Furthermore, the antioxidant characteristics of vitamin C aid in guarding the eyes against oxidative stress, a factor associated with the onset of cataracts and macular degeneration. Cataracts, identified by the lens of the eye becoming cloudy, typically develop from the protein degradation in the lens caused by oxidative harm. Vitamin C, due to its antioxidant attributes, aids in mitigating this effect by neutralizing free radicals, thereby diminishing the likelihood of cataract development. Number 5. Berries. Anthocyanins, a type of antioxidants known for giving berries their rich colors, are associated with enhanced night vision. These substances aid in the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment crucial for night and low-light vision. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, to name a few, are abundant in anthocyanins. Integrating these berries into your diet may improve your low-light vision capabilities, making them a beneficial and delightful choice for boosting nighttime visual sharpness. Oxidative stress, caused by a discrepancy between free radicals and antioxidants, can lead to various ocular issues. Berries, with their high antioxidant levels, are essential in mitigating oxidative stress and inflammation within the eyes. The antioxidants found in berries not only fend off free radicals, but also help prevent age-related eye problems such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Regularly consuming berries offers a palatable method to strengthen your eyes against the impacts of aging and environmental stresses. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene. The element giving sweet potatoes their vibrant orange hue is transformed into vitamin A within the body. This vitamin is critical for the health of the cornea, the clear front section of the eye, vital for concentrating light on the retina. Frequent intake of sweet potatoes acts as a dependable beta-carotene source, guaranteeing a continuous supply of vitamin A for ideal corneal performance. This, in effect, leads to clear vision and aids in warding off issues such as night blindness. The cornea, being exposed to the external environment, is prone to injuries from elements like ultraviolet, UV, light, and oxidative stress. Vitamin A, obtained from beta-carotene, serves as a protective barrier for the cornea, safeguarding it from potential damages and aiding in the avoidance of issues like corneal ulcers. Furthermore, the antioxidative traits of beta-carotene not only benefit the cornea, but also offer comprehensive protection for the eyes against age-associated deterioration and oxidative harm. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant, is vital in protecting cells, including eye cells, from oxidative harm. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts, are rich in vitamin E. The retina, sensitive to light and located at the back of the eye, is especially susceptible to oxidative stress. Vitamin E aids in defending the intricate components of the retina by neutralizing free radicals, thereby helping to prevent age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related disorders. Beyond vitamin E, nuts and seeds contain a mix of antioxidants, including selenium and zinc. These elements collaboratively fight against oxidative stress, which can cause inflammation and eye damage. The presence of omega-3 fatty acids in specific nuts, such as walnuts, further bolsters eye protection. These fatty acids help preserve eye cell structure and are instrumental in lowering the risk of dry eyes and other inflammatory eye conditions. Number 8. Broccoli. The eyes, constantly exposed to light and environmental elements, are at risk for oxidative stress. Broccoli, abundant in antioxidants such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, is key in offsetting free radicals and safeguarding the eyes against oxidative harm. Both lutein and zeaxanthin, present in notable quantities in broccoli, are deposited in the retina and aid in warding off age-related macular degeneration. These antioxidants serve as a natural barrier, protecting the eye's delicate parts from the impacts of aging. Cataracts, a typical age-related issue marked by the lens of the eye becoming opaque, may be affected by oxidative stress and inflammation. The wide range of antioxidants found in broccoli acts together to mitigate these factors, thus possibly lowering the chance of cataract formation. Additionally, vitamin A in broccoli helps keep the corneas healthy and supports overall vision clarity. The mix of antioxidants and vital nutrients makes broccoli a significant player in the pursuit of holistic eye health. The importance of a diet rich in nutrients goes well beyond just eye health. It's a foundational aspect of overall well-being. Hence, as we conclude this video, the urging to embrace a balanced and nutritious diet resounds. Beyond the appeal of bright colors and tasty flavors, the food we ingest has the capacity to influence our health's path, including our eyesight. Although this video focuses on nutrition, it's important to remember that eye care encompasses various aspects. Routine eye examinations, defensive actions against environmental dangers, and efforts to minimize eye strain are all crucial in maintaining prime vision. Nutrition, as discussed, represents one essential component of a comprehensive eye care strategy.